I'm going to show you how you can frog your fuzzy mohair project so you can recover your yarn without any knots and then be able to start over with a new project. Working with mohair is so rewarding because it's so cushy and adds a lot of texture to your project. But sometimes you make mistakes and you're not sure what to do, so either you can frog it or you can scrap it and start over with a whole new bunch of yarn. This type of yarn though is quite difficult to frog because it is made of this fuzzy texture, and you can see just how fuzzy it really is. This fuzziness really makes it difficult for us to frog it because all of these fibers are already intertangled together. But on the other hand, it's usually pretty pricey, so it's a good idea to learn how to do this so that you can save money in the long run. The mohair I use for this project is the blue fibers in here. Here are some tips and tricks I've learned along the way, so let's take a closer look. Welcome to my channel, Beautiful Design Crochet, run by me, Jenna. Let's crochet something cozy together. This is a sleeve from the sweater I just mentioned. The issue with this is that I actually made the sleeves too long and don't need this panel anymore. The yarn here is a mohair strand with a double ply wool. Loose fibers from the mohair make it not as clean or smooth to pull out the stitches, so here's what we're going to do. Grab the strand you're going to frog and pull parallel to your work away from the stitches. If you pull up, like you might be conditioned to do with a lot of other materials, you will end up with a large knot and not be able to continue frogging. Pun intended, haha. However, you might run into some knotting while pulling parallel too, so to fix this without cutting your yarn and starting to frog again, gently pull up on the stitching at the root of the frogged yarn from the stitch and then loosen the whole stitch up. This will allow for the mohair fibers to continue to be pulled apart.
Thanks so much for watching. Smash that subscribe button to be a part of this crafty community and learn more.